Hi, Kate.
Hi, Paul.
Why are you feeling so sad?
I started a business some months ago and I still struggling to get more customers. I tried a lot of things but they just don't work.
Wow. You are lucky. I know a marketing consulting firm which will perfectly help you. Give a call to this number +233 54 688 5299. Welcome to F-Choice Consulting. Kate, good to see you. How can I be of help, please?
Thank you. Good to finally meet you. Please, I need your help. My business is dragging and I need more patronage for my products.
Oh, I see. You just don't worry yourself any longer. I will be hosting a training on how to make and create attention-grabbing animated video adverts like this, all by your phone this weekend. You can make videos to promote your business, products or service to a wider range of customers online.
Really? That sounds so great. Please, how can I be part of this training?
Simply click on the link below this video for more details or call the number.
Thank you so much, F-Choice Consulting. Looking forward to this training.
You are welcome, Kate. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.